Here we have a gorgeous Range Rover Sport in Firenze Red. This car isn't due for a service until November 2021 and has previously only had one owner. You have privacy glass and 22-inch silver finish alloys. You also have a powered tailgate along with an electrically deployable tow bar. And going into your boot, you have plenty of space there for personal items such as golf clubs or pushchairs. And here's your button for your electrically deployable tow bar, making it a lot easier than attaching it each time. And you can press this button or the button on your keys to shut the boot, which is easier if you have your hands full. Continuing around the car, you also have keyless entry. So if I lock the vehicle, you can open the door with just the key in your hand or in your pocket. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof which can be controlled using this button here, which is really nice on a sunny day or just to add more air. It also adds a lot more light. And you can close it using the same button. You have a touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with valet mode, meaning you can lock the screen so that the valeter can only access your climate control, keeping your personal items secure. You also have eco data, which tells you how well the car is being driven, for example if you're braking too hard. Ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which makes driving along the motorway safer and easier. As you can see, you have a heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, and you do also have heated seats in the back, which ensures all passengers are happy. The front seats are also memory, which is handy for several people driving the car. And you also have a Meridian sound system, which makes each journey even more enjoyable. This car has done 14,288 miles. You also have a fridge compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.